Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by choosing your SQL engine and why. Pick PostgreSQL for robustness or MySQL for broad hosting. Once chosen, you define tables and relationships with an ER diagram so your schema maps real data. Next, install the client tools and create a dedicated database user with least privileges to increase safety. Then create the initial database and connect. Run a quick version check and verify connectivity so you can proceed confidently into schema creation and migrations. You now implement the schema. Write create table statements, choosing types and not null constraints to enforce integrity. Once done, add indexes tuned to expected queries and consider composite and unique indexes to speed lookups. Make migrations with an incremental tool so changes are versioned. Wrap schema changes in transactions to avoid partial updates. Also create seed data scripts to validate joins and queries. As you test, run explain and adjust indexes. Keep a rollback path to undo mistakes quickly. You finish by validating everything. Run integration and load tests so queries, joins, and transactions behave under realistic conditions. Make backups of schema and data before any deployment and automate retention so you can recover reliably. Deploy changes through CI/CD with migration checks and a staged rollout to catch regressions. If something breaks, restore from the latest backup and inspect migration logs. Key troubleshooting tip: if migrations fail, revert the failing migration and run integrity checks to isolate and fix corrupt schema or data.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.